name's Alyssa.
And my name is Shannon.
Today we're going to be making an easy lemon cake.
So, we've got our lemon cake mix, our bowl, our sprinkles, eggs, cookie cutters, which you're probably wondering what these are for, but we'll show you later, and our 1.5 measuring cup.
We've also got our cake decorating set, our vegetable oil, our water, and our frosting, which is very delicious. And it's cream cheese.
Anyway, let's get going to baking!
Preheat the oven to 350.
Okay, guys, it's time to bake. Now that our cake has cooled,
It's time to frost. So you're going to take your frosting and your frosting knife. Ooh, that's a big thing of frosting.
and we're just
Would
going
you like to do the honors?
Let's just smear it on the cake.
Delicious.
Yum, yum. We're gonna put a nice white layer all over our cake and then do our decorations.
Which are very pretty decorations.
Okay, guys, we're done frosting our cake and we've put a couple of flowers on it, as you can see.
This is how you get the tie-dye color. First, you get the piping. Then you get the tip. And you put food coloring strips inside the bag so you get a nice color when you put the frosting in. When you put the frosting in, you twist the bag and make sure none of the extra food coloring comes out. Then you make a circle to make the flowers. So good.
How about you, Shannon?
Really good.
Mm-hmm.
That's not lemon cake.